It was a great match. I mean, we're good friends. We play all the time. We always have hard matches. He's a good retriever. I retrieve well. Neither of us have devastating winning shots, and so the rallies tend to be long. But it's very competitive. It's interesting, and we feel certainly at our stage of life that it's keeping us healthy and fit. So we're happy.
And what do you think, technically what made the difference between for you?
I think that I may have a little bit more penetration on some of my shots, and I'm pretty good retriever as well. And so it really boils down to who makes the most unforced errors, and I tend to be relatively stingy with unforced errors. So that typically is the difference in the game.
Okay, and of course we'll see you in the next one, right?
If there's a next one, we're struggling to find people in this category, which is over 60. So if anybody is listening and they want to come and join in competitive over 60s tennis, we're welcome to have you on board.
A good match. Competitive for the most part. Got off to a little slow start. When I got into the game and I made a big fight. And then made a couple errors which cost me dearly in the second set at a crucial moment at 4-all. So I think I got broken at 4-all, even 5-4 up. And of course I was trying to dig in to get to a third set because I know I'd have beaten him in a third set, being a much fitter person. But that's what it is. I mean, he played very well.
Okay, your thoughts on what you think we'll have to work on maybe for the next event?
A couple of things in my game. I mean, there are a couple of things I did very well tonight. I mean, I served very, very well. I stayed in the point where my overheads needed work. Missed a couple of overheads. Of course, I'm not 21, so I don't see very well in light. So the lights bother me a little bit, but there's nothing I can do about that.